Hi guys, I am here in Papa's room. So I'd like to show you that we have Alexa and Google here. And let's just see who's better in terms of having a conversation and who's friendlier than the other. So I hope this is going to be a quick review of that. Let's watch it.
A few moments later.
Hey Alexa, can you be friends with Google Nest Mini, the smart speaker?
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Hey Google, can you be friends with Alexa?
She's got a great sense of humor. We'd be friends for sure.
Whoa. Hey Google Nest Mini, introduce
This
yourself.
device is a Google Nest Mini.
Yeah, can you introduce yourself?
I'm your Google Assistant. I can translate for you. Just ask.
Alexa, introduce yourself.
I think you're getting me confused with
I'm
someone
Alexa,
else.
and I respond when you say my name. There are lots of things we can do together. Ask me to tell you a joke, read you a book, listen to music, or play a game.
Alexa, how old are you?
I'm 6. I celebrated my golden birthday, which means I turned 6, on the 6th of November.
Okay. Hey Google, how old are you?
I was launched in 2016, so technically I'm pretty young. But I've learned so much. I hope I'm wise beyond my years.
Hey Alexa.
I'm flattered, but we both know that's not me.
Oh yeah, sorry Google.
Got it.
Hey Google, can you be a sister to Alexa?
She's one of my besties. Our crew is me, Alexa, Cortana, and Siri.
Thank you.
I'm honored to serve.
Alexa, can you be a sister to Google Nest Mini, the smart speaker?
I'm not sure.
Alexa, thank you for this conversation.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Hey Google, thank you for this conversation.
You are, as always, very welcome.
Owag Nyoko Kali Mutant I subscribe ha.